What's up everyone, this is Apple Vibes back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys 15 hidden Mac features which I have divided in 5 categories. Feel free to start with any category from the timestamps given in the description below. And if you are into using your Apple products like a pro, join me with my journey and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? Okay, let's try going downwards from the 5th best features to first best features this time. So let's start. And Apple has literally hidden these features. So we'll start with the menu bar. If you hit this Apple menu, you can see about Mac and all these options. Now about Mac gives you the basic information about your Mac. Or what if you want detailed information about your Mac? All you have to do is hit the option key and press this Apple menu, and this will give you that option will change into system information. You have to keep holding the key. If you leave it, it will go back to about this Mac. So keep holding the option key and choose this system information, and it will give you detailed information about your Mac. Next we move to status menu, and this is very useful in daily life as well. If you want to know the IP address of your Wi-Fi you are using, just hit the option key, just keep holding it and choose the Wi-Fi menu, and it will give you all the IP address and router and all that stuff, all that information directly from here, from your status menu. Same goes with Bluetooth. If you hit the option key and then you choose this, your device, everything, it will give the information directly from here. Now if you choose the sound, it will only give you the output. You can't choose the input from here. You'll have to go to sound preferences. But if you keep holding the option key and then choose this, it will give you both the options to select input as well as output device on your MacBook. And a pro tip for you guys, if you are using a Bluetooth mouse or a Bluetooth earphones and your Bluetooth are not working, it keeps hanging with the MacBook. So all you have to do is hit the shift key along with the option key, and then select the Bluetooth. It will give you these options to reset the Bluetooth module. So just select this and he reset the Bluetooth module, restart your MacBook, and now all the issues of your mouse or earphones not connecting with your MacBook will be solved in an instant. Next is some text features using the option key. So I'll be quick with this one. I won't take much of your time. We'll go to text edit for this. I'll type some words with anything really, just some rubbish words. And if I want to go to the other word, and these are 3 different words, I have 3 different words over here. From here I want to go to here directly. I want to skip this word. I want to do some changes in this word. So instead of pressing the left arrow key again and again, what you can do is hold the option key and hit the left arrow key once, and it will jump to the next word. Again hit it, it will jump to the next word. This can be very handy at times. Now if you want to delete this word directly, hold option and delete. It will delete the word to the left of the cursor directly. It will delete the whole word through the left of the cursor. And the final one is you'll have to play with it according to your preferences, according to your needs. If you hold the option key and press on your MacBook any letter like A or S, it will give the special characters assigned to that word, assigned to that letter, So for example, I'll hit F or any word. You should know actually what character you need. For example, this G gives me the copyright symbol or copyright character. I use this character a lot, so it becomes easy for me. Option and G. So you'll have to play with the letters, and then you'll know which character you need, and then you can put your character very fast while typing on your MacBook. This is a very important category, so please do not skip this one. And first things first, we'll go to Finder for this one because all the features are in Finder. We are in the view mode as icons right now. We'll go to the list, and in applications I have many folders. I have this Adobe Audition and Photoshop and applications. So if I expand this, you can see even I have 3 folders and then applications. So what if I want to open all the folders together in Finder? It becomes very easy with the option key. All you have to do is hold the option key and then press on this button, on this arrow key, and it will very conveniently expand all the nested folders inside your MacBook, inside that folder. And it comes very handy at times because I use this a lot. Instead of navigating here and there again and again, back and forth in folders to do some work, this becomes very handy. The next feature we have is in the column view. So if I have 3 or 4 folders over here open and I want to change the size of a pane and I want to change it exactly. For example, if I make this pane a little bigger and if I make this a little smaller, and if I want to adjust all the panes to the same size and I don't want to mess the sizes, so all I have to do is hit the option key, keep holding it, and now if I try to adjust the pane, all of the panes will adjust together and the sizes of the pane will be the same. The adjusting of the panes will be same. It's not like if you change it, only one pane will change and the size won't be good. So if you press the option key and then you navigate between the panes, it will give you a perfect size. The next step is, if you want to copy a folder and paste it, if you want to copy a folder or image or anything, if you want to paste it somewhere, for example, if I drag it and drop it, it will move that image or folder from that location to the next location. What if I don't want to move it and I just want to copy it and I don't want to use Command C and Command V? Just hold the option key and then drag and drop it, and it will create a copy image instead of moving it directly from your source folder to the next folder. Now the next thing we have is, I have a logo.png file over here, and if we go to the file menu in Finder, you can see open and open with. Now if you press on the option key, that open with will change to always open with. If I want that image to always open with Adobe Photoshop or something else, I'll just choose that, and now only that image, not all PNG files, only that image, when I press on that image, it will always open with Adobe Photoshop. Note, not all PNG files, only the one we have set will now open with Adobe Photoshop, and this is a super pro tip for you guys. The next thing about Finder is, it's not about Finder actually, it's all about, you can use it in all windows, and that is resizing. You can see resizing, if you resize a window, it drags and drops it to the left. If I resize it from right, it will resize it to the left. If I resize it from the left, it will resize the window to the right. But if you want the window to be in the middle, in the center, and you want to resize it, just hold the option key, just press on that, and now when you resize, your window will be in the center of the screen. It won't go to the left or right corners of the screen while you are adjusting the screen. Moving on to the next feature, if you don't already know what hot corners are, so there is one more pro tip for you guys. And if you do, wait for a pro max tip you definitely don't know about. So if you know what hot corners is, you know it lies in mission control, and you can see hot corners over here. What hot corners does is, if you don't know what hot corners are, if you set, these are the 4 corners of your MacBook. For example, I have set this mission control to the left upper corner of my MacBook. So if I take my cursor over there, it will activate mission control for me. And my right upper corner is on desktop, so if I take my cursor on my right upper corner, it will show me my desktop. But this gets very annoying sometimes when you are using your mouse and your mouse goes again and again to the corners of the screen, and this kind of things activate again and again. So the pro tip for you guys, the pro max tip is, while setting this, for example, I want to set mission control, just hold the option key and now select whatever you want. So mission control over here, and again hold the option key, desktop over here. So now if I take my cursor over here, it won't activate unless I press my option key, and now it will activate that mission control for me. Again, if I hold my option key, it will activate the desktop for me. So you have many options to play with in hot corners. You can select whatever you want according to your preferences, and if you are like me, you don't like directly the mouse going here and there and activating stuff again and again, becomes very annoying sometimes. Just hit the option key while setting it, and now you are good to go. I am 100% sure you didn't know these last 3 features. These are like, even I didn't know. I did some research and then I got to know, and even I was shocked that I'm using Mac for such a long time and I didn't know these features as well. So we'll start with the Launchpad first. If you go to the Launchpad, you can delete the app directly from here. If you want to delete an app, you don't have to go to Finder and go to applications and then delete the app from there. You can do it directly from here. All you have to do is hit the option key, keep holding it, and it will give you this sweet jiggle mode like you get in iOS or iPad devices. Pretty sweet, right? The last two features are hidden in the dock. So now if you are using this app, for example, I'm using Google Chrome and for some reason it is not responding. So instead of double clicking on that, it will just give you an option to quit, and at times when the app is not responding, this won't work. So now all you have to do is hit the option key and now double click on that, and it will give you this option to force quit this app directly from the dock. You don't have to go to the task manager to force quit an app. You can do it directly from the dock. And the second one is if you are using two apps, like I have Notes and Google Chrome over here. If I choose Google Chrome from the dock, it will give me Google Chrome. If I choose Notes from the dock, it will give me Notes. But what if I don't want Google Chrome in the background? If I'm choosing Notes, I don't want Google Chrome in the background as well. So now all you have to do is hit the option key, keep holding it, and choose the other app, whatever you want. In my case, I'll choose Notes, and very conveniently it will give you that app and it will hide all the apps in the background. So this is all for this video, guys. Make sure to watch my other Mac videos as well, and let me know in the comments if you already knew these features. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Mufaddal. This is Apple Vibes. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.